and welcome back to our channel where we review the latest gadget releases in the local market. And today, I'm with the OPPO F9 and its splendor. I'll be giving you quick insights about this phone, so do watch out! Currently, the OPPO F9 is marketed as the first phone in the F series which only needs 5 minutes of charging for you to gain 2 hours of talk time. That's because of VOOC Flash Charging. I believe you've already seen the ads of Joshua Garcia and Julia Barreto talking to each other using this phone. Let's talk about the design of the OPPO F9. As you can see, it has a lot of screen space compared to the OPPO F7. That's because of the Waterdrop screen. So this is the only space for the camera. Also, in terms of color, this one is in sunrise red. It's in gradient format, so it's pink here and it's red on top. There are also 2 more variants, the twilight blue and the starry purple, which is also very cute. Let's talk about the processor. So the OPPO F9 still has the Helio P60 processor, which the OPPO F7 also has. But this one comes with 6GB of RAM, which gives it extra processing power. This also has 64GB of internal storage, which you can still expand up to 256GB via microSD. And now let's talk about the camera. This is the first phone in the F series with a dual cam. So that's 16 megapixels plus 2 megapixels with flash. So you can take more photos anywhere you go with the bokeh effect. And also in terms of the front cam, for selfies, you can now take up to 25 megapixels of selfies. So super clear. Actually, let me open the camera now and test it for you. So as you can see, there's time-lapse, slow-mo, video, photo, portrait, stickers. Yes, it still has that sticker options, which you can use as you open the camera or after you take a photo. So compared to the F7, which only has these AI settings, you can now do that here after taking the photo. Also, yes, it also has that expert settings, so in case you want to fix the aperture, it's up to you. Now, I know you guys don't like it when other people touch your phone, so in terms of security, you can use the fingerprint scanner or the facial recognition feature. For those who are always on the go, OPPO F9 can already be charged within just 5 minutes. That will be enough to give you 2 hours of talk time. All that I've mentioned for the price of 17,990. That's the same price when the OPPO F7 was released. So that's it for the highlights of the OPPO F9. Please do tune in to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and do follow Pinoy Tech Blog at Official PTV on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Also, feel free to follow me on my social media page. That's facebook.com/ManilaMillennial or visit www.manilamillennial.com. Thank you and see you in the next episode.